Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the phone has at least 50% battery and a network connection. This prevents interruptions. Next, make sure you know your Samsung and Google account login details because the device may require reactivation lock info. Without them, you can get stuck. Once those are ready, attempt the simple unlock options first. Try recent PIN variations, swipe patterns, or biometrics. If those fail, proceed immediately to boot and recovery steps to reset the device and remove the password. You power the phone off completely, then press and hold volume up plus power and home or Bixby until the Samsung logo appears. This boots Android recovery. Use the volume buttons to move the highlight to wipe data/factory reset and press power to select. This removes the password by erasing user data. Confirm the factory reset when prompted. The process runs automatically. Once done, select Reboot System Now with power. Make sure you're prepared to re-enter account credentials after reboot to complete setup. You complete setup by signing in with the same Samsung and Google accounts that were on the device before the reset. This satisfies factory reset protection and restores access. If you encounter FRP or can't recall account credentials, immediately use account recovery on Google or Samsung from another device, or prepare proof of purchase before contacting support. If the phone gets stuck in a boot loop, perform the reset again. If that fails, consider reflashing official firmware with Odin, only if you understand the risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.